Hey guys, my name is Raj and you're watching TMQ channel. The model which I'm having right here is the Vivo S1 Pro. So first of all, I'd like to thank Vivo Malaysia for sponsoring us this device. Well, regarding the spec wise, as written in the box, we have here is the 8GB with 128GB of internal storage. And the color I'm having right now, which is the night black. So it comes in two colors. Vivo gives us the night black. We will talk more about the specs in our next session. So for now, let's unbox this guy. Let's unbox the Vivo S1 Pro. Let me get my knife first. Okay, first you have to cut it slowly. Just peel it off. Okay, next there's a seal here. We have to remove this also. So here you have it, Vivo S1 Pro. Okay, as usual, what we have inside here is some documents we have. We'll put this aside first. Here we have the Vivo S1 Pro. This is the back side. We'll talk more about this. Okay, inside here we have a sticker. This we have the 18-watt fast charging adapter. It's a 3-pin plug which is supported by Malaysia. What we have here is the Vivo earphone. So if you have watched our previous video on the Vivo V17, you might notice there's a changes in the design itself. So this is the old design of the earphone here. As usual, we have the charging cable. So as you can see, this is a Type-C. It's a Type-C charging cable, USB to Type-C. And we have the SIM ejector pin and some warranty cards and also some spec sheet. Okay? So I guess this is not so important for now. This is the jelly bean plastic casing. Well, because previously, I think if you have watched our previous video, I said the Vivo V17 Pro, the casing was very hard, and now it's like it looks very smooth. We will try this. Okay, and here you have it, the Vivo S1 Pro. So this is the Vivo S1 Pro, and in our article we have also written about the camera bump, which we would say this is a diamond shaped camera bump, but it looks a bit weird, but in real not so weird actually. But then we have a 48 megapixel main camera here, and this is a triple camera setup basically. And the front here, this is a punch hole display with the 32 megapixel of selfie camera, and down we have the USB Type C. I think let me power up this guy. Fully set up. Now the phone is fully set up. So there you have it, the Vivo S1 Pro. So at the moment we haven't tested out the camera yet, the whole performance, and also the charging, the fast charging. It has a fast charging 18-watt fast charging capability, but we will do it in our next video for our review. So guys, here you have it, the Vivo S1 Pro. And also don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also follow our Tech Monkey Facebook page. I'll attach the link below in the description. So I guess that's all for now. Till we catch you in the next one. Bye.